Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix a sensor error on MOVA ViAX 500. To fix it, you should clean the sensors on the robot. In order to do it, remove it from the charging station. Before you do, it's worth turning it off because it's easier to remove it from the station if the robot is off. So switch it to off position. And then just slightly slide it off the station so the light turns blue, and wait half a minute so the wheels unlock, because when the robot is on, the wheels stay locked and it's just harder to move it around. Now the wheels are unlocked and I can see the front of the robot. Now there is the camera right here and the LiDAR sensor right here. Use a microfiber cloth. It can be dry, but preferably slightly damp or soaked in isopropyl alcohol in order to clean the LiDAR sensor from the sides and from the front, and do the same with the camera. Now try turning on the robot by switching it to on position and then pressing and holding on the power button for at least 3 seconds, but preferably until you hear a chime. Now let's release it and try seeing if it works. If it doesn't work still, then you may need to factory reset it. And that process unfortunately erases the map and the settings, all the schedules, everything, just brings it back to factory default state. But sometimes it's the only thing that you can do, so try doing that. Before you do, then there's one more thing that you can do to try to fix it so you don't have to reset it. The thing that you can do before trying to reset is to click on 3 dots in top right corner, then finding a firmware update, and if there is an update available, try installing it. It may fix the issue. But if it didn't, then try looking at the control panel. On the control panel, there is this start button and the OK button. You need to press and hold on both of them at once, the start and the OK button, for about 5 seconds, but it'll just say out loud that the robot is resetting. So remember this and this one, the start and OK buttons. And I hope that it helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.